We are coming to you live from an emergency meeting of the Million Mom Movement for a major announcement regarding food safety. Let's go inside the auditorium.
It looks like the meeting is about to begin. The first speaker is taking the stage now.
Thank you all for attending this emergency session of the Million Mom Movement. It's time to educate the world about a new crisis in our food supply. A crisis that affects 75% of the food we eat every day. Breakfast cereal, chips, spaghetti sauce, bread, soup, ice cream. Even conventional fruits and vegetables have been tainted with the residue of a potentially toxic chemical. And meal after meal, day after day, year after year, we, as mothers, have been feeding our families this compromised food. And we now know that it could compromise the health of every single American. The link is clear, the data is clear, and it's frightening. Increase in herbicide usage equals disease growth. The World Health Organization, the National Academy of Science, and now the state of California have all discovered a commonly used herbicide to be highly toxic and even carcinogenic. Toxic and causes cancer. This chemical was originally intended to be used to grow GMO foods. GMO means genetically altered, and since GMOs are everywhere, so is this chemical. So, here today is our special guest gastroenterologist to explain the problem.
To understand the problem, we must understand that this chemical is designed to kill all organisms that are not GMO. Unfortunately, when we eat foods grown with it, it can also kill off the vital organisms that live in our gut, our microbiome. When that happens, our microbiome begins to die.
The microbiome? What is that?
Great question. The microbiome may be the most important part of our body that you've never heard about. It's commonly known as the gut, but scientists refer to it as our second brain. The microbiome is also responsible for 80% of our immune response. Plus, most nutrient absorption and detoxification takes place in a healthy microbiome. And if your microbiome is dying, well, so are...
Well, what can we do about it?
For that, I will turn you back over to our moderator, who has some life-changing news to share.
Thank you, Doctor. As you can see, we just learned a compromised or dying microbiome is a serious problem. And this demanded a serious answer, which is why we created Biome Medic. Biome Medic is the ultimate support and repair system to reverse the damage done to the microbiome. Biome Medic does 3 important things. 1, it removes the toxic chemical from your microbiome that causes the damage to begin with.
It supports the good bacteria to boost your immunity. It rebuilds the villi for better nutrient absorption and weight loss. This will help create a vibrant microbiome and restore your body to its natural state of health.
So, we've identified the problem. The problem is a compromised microbiome. We've identified the cause, a toxic herbicide that is in 75% of the foods we eat. And most importantly, we have found the solution. This is a product that can be used every day by the entire family. Now, we need to let the world know.
Wow, that is powerful. So how do you know if you have a damaged microbiome?
Ask yourself, do you have skin issues, feel foggy-headed, get tired easily, get headaches, have joint pain, difficulty losing weight?
Well, I guess everyone will be asking, where can I get this new Biome Medic product?
Only one place. The same person who shared this video with you. There may even be a $50 gift card for you.